Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Real, ear, beard, clear, hair, nearly, yeah, beer, cheers, hair, we are. 1. We are here. 2. Have a beer, cheers. 3. Is there a bank near here? 4. The meaning isn't really clear. Next. Care, square, air, chair, fair, hair, stare, where, airplane. A. Look at that airplane. B. Where? A. Up there in the air. Of course. Next. H. Came, plane, table, rain, wait, day, play, say, cray, break, crate, 8. Wait. 1. They came a day later. 2. It was a great day in May. 3. Is this the way to the station? 4. Wait at the gate. I'll be there at 8. Next. Like, time, white, die, dry, July, why, high, night, right, buy. 1. Do you like dry wine? 2. Why don't you try? 3. July will be fine. 4. Drive on the right. Coin, point, voice, boy, enjoy, toy. 1. I can hear a boy's voice. 2. Those are coins, not toys. Next. Now, caught, paused, close, drove, home, found. Now, low, show, slow, bout, toe. 1. I don't know. 2. My toys are caught. 3. She found me in October. 4. They showed us their home. Next and the last. How, now, foul, loud, mouth, sound. 1. 1,000 pounds. 2. Loud, foul sound. 3. Round the house. 4. Count down. 3, 2, 1, now. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.